everybody, it's your girl Erica from the Classy Climb blog. What's up everybody, it's Erica from the Classy Climb blog. It's your girl Erica Williams from the Classy Climb blog. So far, we've gone on the east side, we've gone on the, I guess, west side of Detroit. We've seen a couple different places. Stepped out of the vehicle. Right now we're getting ready to, we're killing a little bit of time before we go to Asia's duplex. And again, this is a land bank house. So, purchased from property, and just kind of do an assessment of the community over here. I think there's a CrossFit place over here, which is pretty interesting. There was a coffee and pastries, and I think this is more of a butcher shop slash restaurant. So, getting a kind of tour of the place. See there shortly. Homemade hot Italian shredded shell on shrimp. Hey guys, we just stopped by a West Village. Is that the name of the spot?
Yep, West Village neighborhood.
And we stopped by Marl. It's a butcher shop slash restaurant. We got some coffee out of there. Tuesdays they're usually closed, but they're doing some kind of butcher event, some kind of meat event. So we got in there, got a little bit of coffee. Now we're getting ready to head over to Asia's properties that she's working on in this area. So you have some revitalization going on this way, down this street, and definitely down this way on the street. Kind of walk back with me, Asia. So, as you can see, we have our Carolina Panthers Keep Pounding shirt on. The reason we have the Keep Pounding shirt on is, like this city, you have to be resilient, you have to keep fighting, you have to keep pounding, as Carolina Panthers say. So, definitely, as you see, super nice area. We've got a bakery on that end. And that's it. And that's our star with the most, contractor with the most. Read the story, create your own yellow brick road. Oh, nigga got his own marketing out here. Go up a little bit more so I can get this. I want y'all to see this nigga is like marketing and promoting. Asia, keep going past this fucking sign.
I'm at the park.
Hold on. This dude is promoting build with bricks thrown at you. Read the story. This guy basically, it's called the Garden of Eden. He got Bible scriptures on it. He's got stuff. He basically built a mansion in the hood. It's very interesting. Very interesting, because this street is rough. In the heart of the hood. Alright, so it looks like it's about to rain. Careful coming out. Look like it's about to rain. There's been some progress at the house, the brand new roof, some new boards, placing fire damaged property. So Asia, this is still your property. What are we doing to it? What are you doing to this property? Let them know. Because over here, her neighbor behind her is creating a bed and breakfast, and they're actually getting work on it. If you look in the window, which I can't zoom in, I don't want to get no trouble. They have all kind of roofing. Look at that, Asia. Roofing, walls, all kind of stuff.
300,000-400,000 last time I talked to her. You gonna probably be at a 600,000-700,000. Because it was that roof that fell in, and that's a slate roof.
So what was this before? This was a firehouse?
Just an old warehouse somebody owned, and they let it go to the taxes, and she bought it at the tax auction.
I mean, it says Godwin Community House, or what is that? Affinity Community House. That door is old.
Yeah, she keeping that door. You gotta keep that. She's gonna repair it.
Do a lot of repair on that door. Anyway, so this must be her dumpster. This is not your dumpster. No. So what's the next step for your duplex? What do you want to do to it?
Next we're gonna redo my porches probably the next couple weeks once all this rain finally just take a break. And then after that, repair all my fire damage outside, do all my reframing in my windows and put windows on. That's my goal, hopefully by January.
Okay.
So the windows over here is gonna cost me about $20,000, and that's not including framing. It's like 60 windows.
60 windows, yeah, that's a lot of windows.
The cheapest quote I got was $15,500.
What will this rent for once it's all done?
$2,500 per side.
Okay, so you'll be getting $5 grand a month off this bad boy. when it's all rented out. So you think when her bed and breakfast coming in, would you probably do an Airbnb across the street sometimes, or just already tenants?
I thought about renting one side and Airbnb the other one since that flat's coming over here, but it really depends. I don't know, if I can rent them just like that, maybe. If not, then I might Airbnb one side and then rent the other side.
He was being nosy. You need to get them brakes fixed. You can't have rims and bad brakes, baby. They don't go together.
Every day.
Every day. So anyway,
I'm watching this house though, because it's been empty for a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Because I would live there.
How much would you think it would need, the third one? She's talking about the third property.
I got to the stud, so that's easy 100. That roof alone about 20. That's steep.
Mm-hmm.
But it might can hold up a couple more years.
And she's talking about the third property there, y'all. All right, Asia, take us on the rest of our tour.